On November 18, Great Princess of Wales visited Ukrainian Community Centre in Reading to meet refugees and learn about the support they are receiving. For this event, Princess Kate once again wore a camel coat, the exact same one she wore a few weeks ago in Scarborough. Princess Kate sported a Georgios Elka Bennett Talis navy yellow spot print pleated skirt dress underneath her camel coat today. The blue and yellow print was most likely a sweet tribute to Ukraine's flag color. The item cost a whopping £279 and looked elegant on the Princess of Wales. The description for the item says a beautiful midi with a signature Elka Bennett color and print. Our new tailor dress in an elegant addition to our autumn collection, crafted of a sheer, lightweight fabric with a navy blue and golden yellow spot print. It has been a long rounded collar, long sleeve, fully functional blue button and nip waist and a pleated midi skirt. Wear it with coat on smarter days, and knee-high boot and a wool coat when temperatures drop. The princess was also seen carrying her younger cat bag in a navy quilted leather today. Fans can buy a recycled version of the class bag on eBay for just £110. She has owned this bag for 10 years, first holding it in June 2012 on trip to Nottingham. On November 16, Sophie, Countess of Wessex, was pictured beaming as she took a seat on a JCBS factory. For her day out, Sophie opted to recycle several classic styles from her wardrobe. The Countess opted for a simple mulberry long-sleeve jumper, which she paired with a floaty forest green skirt by Alberta Ferretti. Sophie chose skirt in a black shell for a pricey £155. For added warmth, Sophie wore a blue and brown gingham coat as she was worn on several occasions previously. The style is from Harrisworth, London, and it featured a color and dramatic ankle length. Sophie carried a clutch in a burgundy shade by Sophie Hansberg, which has been a firm soft style of the Countess in a recent week. To tee the outfit together, Sophie wore a pair of fashionable brown heel boots. Sophie opted for minimalistic green stud earring and a simple pendant necklace. On her wrist were two gold scarf bangles with red and green stones. Sophie bracelets appear to be Helicon Days, a brand which boasts royal variants. Sophie's bracelets look like the Salamander Turk Ruby and Gold Bangle, and the Salamander Turk Emerald and Gold Bangle. Its bracelets retail for £149 on online shop. As a signed document, Sophie's stunning Garrett diamond engagement ring and wedding ring from Prince Edward were fully visible. Well known for shorter, copier hairstyle in 90s, Sophie has been wearing her hair longer in recent years, choosing a sleek style for Thursday's outing. Sophie kept her makeup natural for the day, adding a touch of eyeliner and a simple pink lips. Sophie's visit comes with the fundraising effort of JCBS staff for the NCPCC, of which Sophie is a patron. In honor of the occasion, beneath the lapel of the Countess coat was an NCPCC badge. Sophie also unveiled a plaque, and to her great delight took a seat in one of the JCBS.